women, we can be at demand at age of 17 to 30. Once you are at age of 31 and above, it's very difficult to find a person who truly loves you. But when you are at that age, 20s, 17, you can find a partner who is serious with you, because at that time men, they came at the same time to you. Many men, they want you because you are at demand. You know that a woman, you can be in fashion and out of the fashion very fast than men, what I saw. So sometimes when you got a chance to find a right person at that age, and now you separate yourself, maybe that person was a good man, everything, but you don't want that man because you think maybe you are still in demand. Other men, they still want you. What guys, you saw when you are out of fashion, men, they are out of your life at the same time. You can, so no one can talk to you. No men came to you at age of 35, 36, because men now, they are looking those young girls. But if you find your partner at that age of 20s, take your partner serious as a woman, because as a woman, it's very difficult. Men, they have got many chances, guys. A man can separate with you even at age of 40 or 30. He can still marry another woman, and the younger girl is in 20s. You know that those guys, old men, they are marrying girls who are at age of 20s, because at 30s, 31, 35, you are out of fashion. Especially, he knows that you have got kids, you are out of fashion. They want those small girls who are at age of fresh one, because women, guys, women, we are many than men, you understand. There is a lot of women in this world. So men, they have got their choices. Who is going to stay with him or what, he have a choice. And some women, we can be out of fashion very fast than men. So when you find your partner who is serious with you at age of 25, because guys, chance came once in your life, one chance, and once you spoil that chance, you can't get that chance again. So sometimes when you find the right person who is serious with you at that age of 20s, mostly, you have to take your partner serious, you understand, because you can't find another partner who is like him at the, or maybe you think maybe you can get a second chance in 30s. Guys, it's very difficult. A few people few women who you can get a serious man who want to be with you at age of 30s and 40s. It's very difficult. Men, they can go to those young girls who are in 20s.